As we all know, it is an international language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of a student. My name is Deepak and I am taking the interview of candidate number 076. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Rikman Singh. I'm 18 year old. I recently completed my plus 2 grade from Nankana School in a commerce stream, and my hobbies are to listen to music and playing game.
Okay. What is your full name?
My full name is Rikman Singh.
How may I call you?
You call me with my first name Rikman Jog.
Okay. Okay, Rikman. Where are you from?
I'm from Bardana. It is a small village which comes under the district Ludhiana.
Do you like your living area?
Yes, of course, I like my area because there are many facilities which are better than the another areas.
What changes would you like to see there in the future?
In future, I suggested to the government that they build the new road because the road condition is not very good, and it also may leads to many accidents.
Now let's talk about makeup. Do you wear makeup often? Do you wear makeup often?
No, I not wear the makeup because I not like it, and it also make allergy on my face.
What does wearing makeup mean to you?
Sorry, sir.
What does wearing makeup mean to you? What does wearing makeup mean to you? Do you give makeup kit as a gift?
Yes, on my sister's birthday, she's likes like a branded kit of makeup, but she not have enough money to purchase that kit. So on her birthday, I gifted a makeup kit to her, and she was very happy on to see that makeup kit.
What do you think when you see a man wearing makeup?
Well, sometimes the makeup is essential for the person. Like sometimes the face is not very good at because of the acid, and these people wear the makeup. And
Okay. Let's talk about happiness. What is happiness according to you?
well, happiness is very essential in the life as when any person do something and any small things it give a satisfaction to the mind. I think that is a happiness.
How can you give happiness to others?
Well, I always try to give maintain a happy to another, as I respect them, and I always speak them in very polite way.
This is the end of part 1 of your speaking. Let's move to the part 2. Here is your tutor topic, and with 1 minute to prepare this topic. After that you have to speak for 2 minutes. You can also make notes if you want. Describe an art and craft activity that you had at school.
Well, I'm not very fond of art and craft activities, but sometimes in my free times I like to do these activities. Here I would like to talk about a time when I made a painting in my school. I clearly remember that when I was in my 8th standard, my teacher come in a class and make a list of the students who are interested in these activities. That time my friends suggested my name to the teacher, about the painting. And on the next day he told to me that he suggested your name to the teacher about making a painting. I really feel very nervous on the day of function, that I am not a very good in painting, making a painting, and I am also not interested in that. But when I started making a painting, my friend also suggested me that what you made. I made a landscape, and I got a third position in all over the school. That day I also gained some knowledge about Italian language, because the judge is from Italy, and he speaks in Italian, and he also told me many words about words of Italian language and converted into the English. That experience is also very good, and this language also helped me in my school drama function. In conclude, that was activity that I do at school, and it has very good experience for me.
This is the end of part 2 of our speaking. Now let's move to the part 3. Let's talk about art and school activities. What kind of extracurricular activities do schools offer?
Well, schools offer the many type of activities like a painting, drawing activities, and the many schools often organize the sports activities, and they give information about the students to remain fit and to maintain our health.
Okay. Do you think they need to be improved?
So,
Do you think they need to be improved?
yes, of course. I think that they need to organize the more activities for the students, as they provide more information about their health and about the moral and social values in the school.
Have school activities improved any skill within you?
Yes, school activities improve the many skills in me, as I am a sports person and I play a powerlifting. At there it improved my leadership skill, and I also gain information about the team spirit.
Okay. Is learning performing arts and drama encouraged among children in your country? Is learning performing arts or drama encouraged among children in your country?
Yes, sometimes in dramas and in plays, they give information about lots of knowledge about the society and about social and about many things which are important for the children. And these things are encouraged to the wards to do anything and in a better way.
Do you think children must be encouraged to do these type of activities?
Absolutely, yes. These type of activities improve their skills, as they have a good learning skill with the reading, and they improve their painting skills and many sports skills with these activities.
Okay, Rickman, this is the end of your speaking. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.